The 2024 Nissan Frontier, a robust and technology-laden vehicle, will be available for purchase in the United States in the fall of 2023, with a starting manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, of $29,770. The Frontier SV Crew Cab 4x4 will feature the Hardbody Edition, a nostalgic tribute to the original Nissan Hardbody pickup of the 1980s, which will undoubtedly resonate with many generations. The Hardbody Edition will include heritage-styled 17-inch wheels, retro-inspired decals, all-terrain tires, a sport bar, black exterior trim, and other design flair. The limited edition package will have an MSRP of $3,890. The 2024 Frontier will also introduce an SL grade on crew cab models, which will bundle several desirable features, such as LED lighting, leather-appointed seating, a Fender 10-speaker audio system, and more, in a grade level that reflects customers' interest in a highly equipped midsize truck. Furthermore, the available Nissan Connect services will now include a 3-year trial, up from a 6-month trial previously. The telematics feature will work with the My Nissan smartphone app and include remote door lock/unlock, remote engine start/stop, vehicle health report, emergency calling, and Nissan Skill for Amazon Alexa. The 2024 Nissan Frontier will offer an array of bed lengths, drivetrain configurations, and grades, allowing shoppers to choose the model that best suits their needs, including the Pro X and Pro 4X, which will appeal to those heading off-road. The Frontier King Cab will be offered with a 6-foot bed. The Crew Cab S and Pro X/Pro 4X models will feature a 5-foot bed, and the Crew Cab SV will be offered with either a 5-foot or a 6-foot bed. That's all for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.